This video provides information about the Business Personal Property Rendition, a form that gives the appraisal district information about the inventory and assets owned by a business. Renditions are confidential and must be filed annually. The description below and the link on the screen points to a document with step-by-step instructions on how to properly fill out a yearly rendition form. The link will be provided again at the end of the presentation. According to the Texas Property Tax Code, the owner of a business on January 1st is required to file a rendition form every year. The online rendition form is an easy and efficient way to file. An owner can log in, fill out the form, and submit online. The submitted information is stored so the data will be present for future logins. Plus, an owner may log in and view past submissions at any time. If a paper rendition is preferred, the form can be picked up in person at our office, or a printable form is available on the WCAD website. January 1st is the date all properties are valued. Please base the information submitted on the rendition as of this date. April 15th is the deadline for submission of all renditions, or for filing a 30-day extension. May 15th is the deadline for all renditions that are approved for extension from April 15th. May 30th is the deadline for all renditions that file the May 15th extension and requested additional time. Extension requests must have good cause and will be reviewed for approval determinations. According to the Texas Property Tax Code, there are penalties for late filing of renditions and for failure to file a rendition. All renditions are to be submitted directly to the appraisal district using the online form, by mail, or in person. The quickest and easiest way to file a rendition is via the appraisal district website. While there is no requirement to submit further documentation, it can be very helpful to appraisers in making value determinations. Resources that may help substantiate the data filed on the rendition include balance sheets, federal depreciation schedules, receipts, general ledgers, and other similar data. If you have any questions on the rendition form, follow the link in the description below to find detailed instructions. Thank you for watching.